Hello everybody, it's Rocky. Thanks for joining my channel. So I have come to the conclusion that there are three different types of people in this world. There are minimalists, there are maximalists, and there are people who have no idea what either of those terms mean and they don't care. I firmly fall into the maximalist column and I don't have a problem with that. I know that minimalists like to shame maximalists, but maximalists don't shame minimalists. So let's be kind here and be kind to me at least, but I am definitely a maximalist and you'll see why I say that. I won't say that I did a recent haul, but I have been purchasing a few accessories and pairs of shoes over the last maybe couple of months that I haven't been showing here. And I know you're thinking, you show us new stuff that you've bought just about every week now, and you mean to tell me there are other things you've been buying that you haven't been showing us? Yes, hence the term maximalist. I do things in mass all the time, and that's just the way I am. And also part of this is sort of my YouTube journey. I am buying things to show here. In my pre-YouTube days, yes, I was still considered a maximalist, but what you're seeing this year is extreme, super extreme. But anyway, I'm enjoying every second of it. I'm sure if you were in my shoes and you've decided to, start on this journey, no one has to twist your arm to go shopping. And I am not one that needs to be coaxed to go shopping. So let me get right into it. I'm gonna show you all of the things I bought. They're very unique and I'll tell you why I bought them. First pair of shoes you've probably already seen. I did in my last video, the one right before this, I showed you my outfits of the week, and this was a pair of shoes that I showed you. They are a silver pair of ballet flats. The part that you didn't see about these is that it does have a wraparound ribbon that goes around the ankle. I don't mind this at all. I love that it's a ballet flat, one, because I'm into sensible and comfortable shoes at my age at this point. I don't see why I need to tear up my feet if I don't have to. So this is perfect for the fact that I love sensible shoes. I thought that they were adorable. I love that they have this pop. It's shiny. This makes it adorable. And this ribbon is very versatile. Like, I wore it with trousers, so you can't see the ribbon when you wear it with trousers. But if I decided not to wear them with trousers, if I just did a skirt, or if I did, whatever, just that shows my leg, this is pretty cute. But this is definitely a really cute pair of shoes. And this pair, it's leather, it's from Madden Girl, and it cost like $12. So I didn't think it was that bad because I know I'm gonna wear them a lot because they're flat. So I'm happy with this selection of shoes. The next pair I bought was almost, I don't know, it was kind of lucky that I found them. If you probably remember, I don't even know when this was. I did a haul quite a long time ago where I thought I got the deal of the century. I snagged a pair of Tory Burch ballet, I don't know, slip-ons, a ballet flat. When they have a little heel, I don't know if it's called ballet or not, but whatever. I found the cutest pair. I was so in love with them, couldn't wait to wear them with suits and trousers and blah blah blah. Then when I started to show you guys, I noticed that I got them in two different sizes. One was a 7, one was a 6, and there was no way that I could wear them. They just would not, the 7 would not fit my foot. So in shopping even further, of course, kind of keeping my eye out for a replacement, I found one. And these are exactly like the Tory Burch shoes that I picked up before, minus the Tory Burch emblem here, which I could care less about. It was the style of the shoe that I loved. So these are also leather. They are by Halogen. The original price on these was $90 and I ended up getting them for $7. So I know I'm going to get a lot of wear out of them. They are very comfortable, they're very versatile, has a nice pop. These are gold as opposed to the others that are silver. So depending on what I'm wearing, I will wear one or the other depending on the occasion, but I am loving these shoes, and I think that it was the universe looking out for me, because the Tory Burch shoes were $60, I think, if I can remember correctly, and that was $60 off of, you know, a whole bunch of other money. I don't know how much it was originally, but to get these now for $7 and basically the same quality, they're leather, they're gold, they're the same shape and style. I think the universe was just looking out for me, told me I did not need a pair of $60 pair of shoes. So thank you, universe. The next thing I purchased was not a pair of shoes, but it is an accessory. It is a belt, and you know what, I'm kind of, the more I think about this one, the more I'm thinking I want to return it. It has 3 belt loops or belt buckles on here, gold, and like a black and a gold or whatever, a charcoal, whatever you want to call this. Graphite? Yeah, maybe that's what it is. Whatever. But it has 3, and I thought this was kind of cute and unique. It has a gold buckle. I don't have a brown belt with a gold buckle, but then I don't know. I paid 15 bucks for this, but it's not leather. So it makes me, and now I'm feeling like I want to take this back. Yes, the buckle is cute, but it's not leather, so I feel like it's not going to last me very long. It's going to fall apart after a few wears or get damaged after a few wears. So I feel like I want to take this back. I don't know. I don't think I'm going to keep this one though. But yeah, you let me know in the comments below. Would you keep this $15 for a belt that's all man-made? I don't know. I just feel like it's not going to last me. So the next 3 are a result of me staying up entirely too late and being bored, and not, for some reason, not having a conscious voice telling me not to shop. So I was up really late, and a friend of mine posted on Facebook like a cartoon picture of these salt and pepper Oxfords. And the question was, did you wear these in grade school, or do you remember wearing these in grade school? And I immediately got nostalgic and was like, yes, absolutely, I used to wear those, and I wouldn't mind owning a pair as an adult. And so that led me down the rabbit hole of purchasing 3 shoes that I had no business buying. So let's start with the first one. The very first one is the Oxfords I was telling you about. So I don't even know what I put in, because I don't know what these are called. So I don't even know what I did to find these. But I mean, the box called these Sadie Oxfords. That makes sense. Maybe like a Sadie Hawkins dance or something like that. I have no idea. But I went down the rabbit hole of finding these, and these are by the brand Eastland. They are leather, so I feel like they will last. They were not as expensive as I expected. If I could remember how much these were, that would be great, but I don't remember. What I do remember is that all 3 pairs of these shoes with tax were $124. So $40 on average per pair. But I don't remember how much they cost at the moment. But I will link them down below so that you can see what the prices were. So these are the pair that I was looking for. This was the cartoon picture that the girl posted. So it got me down, like I said, the rabbit hole of looking for shoes. I found these, but also on my hunt to find these, it sparked my memory that there were some other shoes that I wanted. So I remembered that I am on the hunt for the perfect pair of penny loafers. So I want to stick pennies in my penny loafers. I want them to be brown, leather, and shiny, and I want them to be quality, good quality. I have been able to find them at GH Bass, but I don't like the price. So I'm just still on the hunt. I'm just gonna, every time I go out to a store or whatever the case may be, I'm gonna have my eyes out for these brown, perfect brown penny loafers. Again, the whole nostalgia thing is kicking in. I really want these loafers, but I'll find them. And I hope that I don't cave and buy them for full price, but I still have not been able to find them for the price that I want. So in my search, I did stumble upon another pair of shoes that I kind of like. I didn't kind of like them, I love them. So these are a pair of driving loafers. And I don't even know what brand this is. It says, I don't even know what this is. I can't even read it. But these are Gucci-esque. So they're Fuchi loafers, but they are leather. And I think that's probably the most important thing for me, is that the construction is good, which it seems really nice in here. It's very, it's padded inside. It's made of leather. I liked that they were white, but it doesn't in person. I don't know if it probably might be hard to see on camera right now, but they are not geriatric at all. They don't look like they belong in a senior citizen's home at all. They look pretty cool. I think they'll be very, very comfortable. This one, the sizing was really odd. They suggest that you measure your foot so you get the right size. And I measured my foot and bought the size that they suggested, which is a whole size bigger than what I normally wear, and they're a little too big. So I feel like I'll probably only be able to wear them. I'm not going to return them. I don't feel like it. So I'll probably be able to wear them during the colder months with thicker socks, and maybe, you know what, I'll probably put padding in the back. That's what I'll do. I'll solve my own problem. Put padding in the back, and I'll be able to wear them whenever I want and however I want. But yeah, I think they are great. It's a rubber sole, so very, very comfy. I am excited about these. The last pair is the coolest pair that I got. I got them from Amazon. The brand is Bruno Bianchi. I have never heard of them. But again, down the rabbit hole that I fell down, I'm probably still down in that hole trying to figure out how to get out. But I stumbled across these shoes, and I am in love. Oh my gosh. They're very unique. I'm all about the unique. I'm all about the wearability. Am I going to be able to get my wear for my money? So I put these in my basket. You know, I didn't even care about the price because I love them so much. They were full price shoes that you would be surprised that I would ever pay this amount for shoes. But I was willing because I love them so much. But when I put them in the cart, Amazon came with this, oh, this is cool. Thank you for making our day. We hope this package has made yours. Yes, it did. Anyway, when I put it in my basket, Amazon put a little coupon there. They were like, hey, you can redeem this coupon if you like. And the coupon was for $50. Yay. So these are the shoes. They are Oxfords. But the cool part, I don't even know why they called them vegan leather. What's the purpose of calling them vegan leather? Because they are clearly plastic. Maybe they were talking about the laces, but these are a clear, literally a clear Oxford. And oh, that's probably why the sole is probably considered like vegan leather. And then the laces are of some sort of leather-like material, so maybe they're talking about sort of the piping, the laces, and the sole being vegan leather. But you can't really see it, and I'm gonna, like I said, in the cutaway show you the details of this. But this is an Oxford shoe that is completely clear. And the reason why I love this so much, and you guys know this because I've talked about this on so many different of my videos, and those of you who know me in real life know this, I love socks. And I love crazy socks, like fun prints, just out of the norm socks. And I wear them all the way up to my thighs. I just wear all kinds, all colors. This shoe right here is gonna let me show all my crazy socks and with all my craziness. So I am so excited about this shoe. You have no idea. Hence the reason why I said I was willing to pay full price. I didn't even question it. I was like, yes, please, in the basket. Yep. So I'm excited to wear these. So yeah, that brings me to the end of today's video. Self-proclaimed maximalist in the house. Let me know what you thought of these shoes. Do you have any favorites? Are any of them really crazy? Do you hate any of them? And what do you call yourself? Are you a minimalist, maximalist, or do you fall somewhere way off to the side where you don't even know or care what any of that means? If you haven't already, you should subscribe, because guess what? I am only like 9 subscribers away from that 200 mark. We are pounding away at this goal of 200 subscribers. Once I reach 200 subscribers, I am sending one of you an Aveda prize pack. I'm doing a giveaway to one of my followers with a lot of Aveda beauty, skincare, hair care, fragrance, all of that good stuff in one big prize pack just for you. So go ahead and encourage your friends to subscribe. If you haven't already, you should subscribe because one of you will receive that prize pack. If you've already subscribed, you should hit the bell button so you can get reminders, notifications of the new videos that I post. Hit the like button, leave me a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Bye.